Honorable Sri Maharaja Sanajaobana Leshamba demand to maintain the safety and security of national highways of Manipur.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, my special mention is demand to maintain the safety and security of the national highways of Manipur. Sir, Manipur has only two national highways. Number 1, National Highway number 2, Imphal-Dimapur Road, which connects Manipur to Nagaland and Assam, serving as a vital link to the rest of India, and number 2, National Highway 37, Imphal-Jiribam Road, which connects Manipur to Assam and the rest of India, facilitating trade and commerce. In fact, these two national highways are the lifelines of Manipur. Sir, but frequent disturbance, burns and blockade, etc., cause many hardships to the people of Manipur. People are facing economic hardship by affecting trades and commerce, supply of essential goods, price hike, and scarcity of goods. Passengers face delay, cancellation, and the increased travel times affecting daily lives, education, and healthcare. Shortage of essential items like food, medicine, and fuel exacerbating humanitarian crisis. Frequent disturbances deter tourists and invest, hindering economic growth and the development of the state. So, sir, I urge upon the Union government to maintain the two national highways of Manipur safe and secure without any kind of disturbance or blockade, so that people can move freely all the years round. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.